To begin this lesson, first let's select our driver tester. Let's uncheck Reset when finished. Let's press play. When we press play forward, we see that our animation finished with a lot bigger scale than in editor. Let's check the star settings by selecting star BG game object, and we see the scale is 0.8. The problem is our driver routine is always running between 0 and 1. So let's fix it. And we will fix it not in a driver, but in a controller. So in the future, we could have more controllers driven by one shared driver, and each controller could go from different value to different value. So let's open our controller transform script. And let's add public float from equals 0 and public float 2 equals 1. So 0 and 1 will be our default values. Now in a setValues method, let's add float remap equals matf.lerp with the from and to and result as the parameters. Also change our result vector to have these three remap values. To explain, matf.lerp is shortcut for linear interpolation, and it is remapping our result value, which is always between 0 and 1, to our new values from and to. Let's save it and try it in editor. Select our driver tester game object. First, let's keep from and to with the default values 0 and 1. And let's press play. Press play forward. And we see the behavior is the same as it was before. Let's change our to variable to 0.8, so it will match our scale in the editor. Let's press play. Press play forward. And now we see our scale animation finish at a 0.8, which is the same as initial scale in editor. So that's it. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.